I wish I had it recorded, bro. Like my entry points was literally all the way up here because I was like, if price go above these highs, I know we're gonna go higher. As you can see, we did go higher, but way, way, way after. But if it had been instead of a sell off, a push up, we would have bought past these weeks, right? Why the hell did it throw my entries all the way down here?
I don't know. I guess this week just been a week where the market was like, hey, bro, chill out. All right, so this week has absolutely cooked me. It cooked me pretty fucking bad, not gonna lie. So I had a couple accounts. Unfortunately, rest in peace to those accounts. But yeah, so this week wasn't the best week for me. I think I called it though. I was like, it was probably like a couple videos back. I was like, I've been doing pretty good. I feel like I'm gonna get cooked here soon. God damn it. I gotta stop saying shit like that because it seems like every time I say something, that's what fucking happens. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all what trades I ended up taking. It was US 30, which kind of irritated me because it's not that I was wrong. I guess my entries was just in a high spot, I guess you could say. So originally, my entries was at 44,250, and when you see it, you'll be like, "What the fuck?" Because I swear, when I saw it, I'm like, "How did I lose?" But I'm guessing I just went too hard with the entries and the lot sizes. I mean, anyway, my entries was 44,250. I had entries at 44,300, and I had entries at 44,400. And if you once you see the charts, it's gonna be like, how the fuck did I lose? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. I don't know what the fuck I did wrong. I'm not gonna lie. I have no idea how that went against me. Like, I had enough in my account. I don't know how it went against me. Then the fucking okay, so it's not even that I traded the CPI news. I waited till after. So it dropped for CPI. And when it got to the bottom, that's when I put my entries. And it's just, I don't know. So I have no explanation for what happened for today. And as far as my other accounts, y'all know I was trading NZD USD sales. And at the time, it was selling. And then it shot up the very next day. And literally right after it shot up, it sold all the way back down. And then CPI hit and it dropped even more. So like this week really just irritated my whole soul. I'm not gonna lie, like this week has been one of the weeks I just looked at the charts and I'm like, it's okay. It's okay. You got me this week. I ain't gonna, you got me this week. You got me this week. Like when y'all see it, bro, it's like, oh my God, dude. Where my entries were for the sale. Oh my God. And then where price went to. It's so annoying. But sometimes you have weeks like that, you have days like that where shit like that happen. Look, I can't do nothing about it, but we're gonna come back bigger and better. Probably next week, realistically. I'm not gonna lie, like man, this week absolutely just shit on me. I'm not gonna hold you. But anyway, I'm gonna swap over to my computer and I'm going to show y'all what the market or what the charts are looking like. Like I said, y'all let me know. Like, am I just dumb? Like what went wrong? Like I have no explanation for what went wrong here, bro. Like 44,250, 44,300, and 44,400. Price is literally at 44,450 right now. I don't know how I fucking messed up. Like I don't know what I did wrong, bro. We're gonna go to the charts. Y'all let me know. Like I don't know. I literally don't know. I don't know. But like I said, we're gonna come back bigger and better. And we gonna figure this shit out, bro. Like I like when you see these charts, bro, genuinely I have no idea how. Unless this wick is what knocked me out, but I still don't understand how. And like it wasn't like, bro, it shouldn't have knocked me out. It did not go that far down, in my opinion. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and switch to my computer. Y'all let me know, bro.
All right. So we here. We on these charts, man. Like I said, bro, I have no idea how I lost. Like my entries 44,250, 44,300, 44,400. I'm confused. And I literally waited till all of I didn't buy here. I waited till all of this shit had happened. Market push, especially off of this candle. Cause this candle was bullshitting. These candles came in. I understand a wick happened, but like, bro, that still wasn't enough to. I don't get it. I don't get it. Cause this was pushing up, and these entries hadn't been targeted yet at all. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I honestly have no idea. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I just wasn't paying attention how I was supposed to been paying attention. I don't know how I fucking lost this. I genuinely have no idea how I lost this. 44 250, 44 300, 44 400. We're literally above those prices. I don't get it. And even when this pullback happened, it still didn't go below these two entries. So there's no reason why this shit took my account. It's cool though. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, there's nothing I can do but come back and do better, I guess. This week was just, I guess, a learning week for me. Fucking being excited and eager to trade. And even after I waited and still got cooked. Like, I don't understand. But we got some NZD buys going on too as well. Um, Real quick, I don't know what happened with Midas. I had some buy entries above this level. When the market dropped, somehow my entries ended up way the fuck down here. I can tell y'all exactly where that shit put my entries at, and I don't understand why it did that at all. That made no sense. Mind you, I had entries up here above this high because I was like, if price is gonna shoot up, it's definitely gonna go past, way past this high because I know how CPI works. It shot down, no wicks, no nothing. As you can see, when it opened up, it went straight down. Very, very small wick. That shit put my entry at 5615, 56151, 56135, and 56148. How the fuck that happened, I have no idea. I'm gonna put them on the screen, bro. Like when I say my entries was way up here, they pushed them. I don't know why. There was no spread. There was no nothing. When it dropped, it literally dropped. I watched it drop. And when I looked at it, I was like, what the shit? How did that happen? So I'm gonna put all those on the screen. And it just, that did not make sense. So if y'all using Midas, be careful when CPI shit hitting because they are definitely gonna move um your entry points. I don't know why, but it kinda did me a favor in a way because like as you can see, it did push up, but like that shit was very, very odd. 418 65151. So it pushed all my entries down here for some reason. I've never seen nothing like that before, bro. So like I said, if y'all using Midas, definitely be careful with that because that threw me off. I've never seen nothing like that. If your entry points is at a certain price, especially if spread ain't hitting it, even if spread had hit it up there, I should have been negative. It shouldn't have hit it and then moved it all the way down here. So this is where I had my entries. All of them was up here. And this is where I put my entries at once the market dropped. I don't know how or why, but that should not have happened. So again, like I said, it kind of helped me out because I made profit from it, but it still doesn't make sense on how or why that even happened. If my shit is all the way up here and CPI hit in the little wick right here, that's nowhere near this. It don't matter, like spread wise and all that shit didn't get nowhere near this price. But it pushed all my entries down here. I wish I had a screen recorded it because like at the moment I wasn't thinking, I was just like, what the fuck, like why, how, you know what I'm saying? But I wish I had it recorded, bro. Like my entry points was literally all the way up here because I was like, if price go above these highs, I know we're gonna go higher. As you can see, we did go higher, but way, way, way after. But if it had been instead of a sell off, a push up, we would have bought past these weeks, right? Why the hell did it throw my entries all the way down here? So again, I don't know. I'm not partnering with these people like that. I don't know these people. Nothing. I don't know what the fuck that was all about. So again, if you put in limit orders and you know news is happening, please be careful. Because if that shit shoot up and you selling, it's probably gonna activate your sales and you're gonna be getting cooked. Again, like I said, I did make profit. I didn't. It didn't fuck up my account or nothing. But that was very strange that even happened. So, we chilling with that. Because that happened, honestly, I'm thinking about just completely using Hanko Trade altogether. That way I can trade US 30, Nas, all the indices and everything. especially with the account that I'm growing 100, or not 100, but $1 to 1,000. I'm still working on that account. I haven't really been trading that account like that because I noticed a lot of news and shit been popping up, and I'm not trying to take no crazy losses due to news. So I I I think I'm gonna go ahead and make that switch because Hanko Trader is really, really smooth in my opinion. I really wish they would bring it back to MetaTrader 5 because I just love MetaTrader 5. But I mean, I can still manage with I can still manage with the little app that they got. I just it's not as clean, it's not as fast. It's kind of laggy here and there. I mean, I'm just gonna tell you how I see it. So, but that's what happened. I'm kind of confused on why, but as y'all can see, I guess it was like, let me help you out, and it, you know, put me in profit. Again, I have no idea. I've never, out of all 4 of my years, I've never seen no shit like that. So again, if you setting limit orders, bro, be careful when it comes to news because that shit, that shit was not playing, bro, like at all. So, again, with US 30, I'm gonna kind of go over that as well really quickly. So originally we were already selling down, and like I told y'all before, me and a couple of people from chat was talking about price going down again, probably targeting this area down here. So as y'all can see, when CPI hit, it did drop. I had an idea. I was like, okay, CPI is gonna hit. It's probably gonna sell. But my whole thing was when we pushed up like this and came here, we started to move sideways a little bit, and I was like, okay, this would probably be a good price or a good point for price to buy up from this area. Considering we had just broke out of this high, closed above, whatever, whatever, and it didn't play out that way. So, like I said, sometimes you'll see certain things, and then news will hit, and it's a hit or miss. You know what I'm saying? At least for me, because like I said, I don't know everything about news, but it be a hit or miss. So, with that being said, this is what happened. Like I said, I still don't understand how I took losses. I could understand if I bought right here and it dropped, but like I said, I had buy stop entries. 44250, 44300, 44400. Like I don't. Then I had some more way up here because like I'm expecting price to push back up at some point. So whenever price finally do move back up, I have entries at 44,750 and 44,700. That way when price push up past 45,000, I make a probably about a little over $100. But that's all that is, bro. I don't like I said, I don't know how the fuck. Like I said, unless this wick hit and it was just way too much. But on the 0.01, that's still not a lot. Like 250 pips is only $25. So I mean, like I said, I don't understand. But it is what it is, bro. Like I said, we just gonna come back probably. I mean, I'll go live tonight and still, do things like that. But as far as like actually looking for some trades, considering this shit happened like this, we'll probably just come back next week. And just go from there. But it's a nice little entry point right here too. I see how that mug moving. I'm probably gonna go ahead and buy into that honestly. And it's on a 1 hour. I'm gonna buy into that. Put my stops below here. But yeah, so that's that's all I got for this week. And I will catch y'all tomorrow in the video. I don't know what it's gonna be about. Hopefully we can redeem ourselves and make quadruple of what we lost this week because this week has been definitely been a challenge for me, and I'm just especially with the US 30 trade. I don't understand how I lost it. Like I don't. I genuinely have no idea how I lost it. Let me go ahead and buy this. I'm gonna put my stop loss and take profit. Stop loss is going to be what's that? 56343. No, I don't need no trailing stop. 56343. Take profit is going to be 56630. I hope this works because the numbers are a little off. My shit crashed when I tried to set my Take profit. What the fuck? All right, I'm gonna have to go over to my computer because it don't show the NC. Like with this app, it's so like weird. Because on Hanko, they got the whatever the app is called, and it doesn't show you your entry points, and it don't show you that on the charts. You have to be on your computer, which is fucking stupid and shitty. But anyway, I got in here, so we're gonna see how they play out. Hopefully, we hit TP. Like I said, bro, some weeks will be weeks where it ain't really shit you can do. But that the way the entry shit moves, like everything has just been fucking weird this week. I'm not gonna lie. That threw me off. US 30 threw me off. I'm looking at my screen like, how the fuck did I lose that? You know what I'm saying? Like I'm looking at these wicks around my entries and it's so far away now. Well, not so far away, but it's far away from my entry now. And I'm just like, I don't understand how I lost. Like I said, I can understand if I bought here. Yeah, of course, nigga. Like I'm gonna take a loss, but my entry points is literally down here. All of them up under here. All of them. Every last one of them. Every entry point is up under where current price is at. I don't know how I lost. I don't know how I lost, bro. I don't know how I lost. But anyway, I'm gonna swap back over to my phone. Hopefully, y'all enjoyed this little breakdown. Like I told y'all, bro, I don't win everything. I lost 3 accounts this week, and it's only Wednesday, bro. It's only Wednesday, and I lost 3 different accounts. Like I don't know what happened, bro. The sale was here. Got in some sale. No, yeah. What was it? No, this is US 30. I'm about to say, hold on. For NZD USD. I had sales around this price, if I'm not mistaken. No, it was around this price. So we had this drop, price came up. I seen these lows happen. I'm like, bet. Had my sales in, price shot up, took me out, and as you can see, it dropped all the way back down. Like I said, it don't necessarily be that we be wrong. Sometimes we might just be early. Sometimes we might just need to wait a little bit longer. But in my opinion, from what I was looking at, I was like, we had this huge rejection week. We was getting these sales. I was like, okay, cool. We chilling. And we get cooked. So NZD cooked 2 accounts, US 30 cooked 1 account. Now we coming back with this NZD USD trades. So like I said, bro, hopefully we get some good shit going and we can redeem ourselves. If not this week, we definitely gonna make it back at some point. I ain't really tripping about it, but it's just like it did not make sense to me. Like that did not make sense at all. US 30 literally just blew my mind today and like I slept until like 4 p.m. I was so irritated because I was up all day. I'm like, okay, cool. We chilling, everything moving. I look at my screen, everything red. I'm like, whoa, okay. I'm like, it's going. I look again. I'm at like 15 bucks in my account. I'm like, bro, what? I'm like, bro, what just happened? What like what did I miss? And I look at the charts. I'm like, bro, how did I lose? But like I said, bro, shit happened. It is what it is. There ain't nothing you can do about it. We're gonna fund up again, I guess. There's still money in the account, but it's not enough to where I could trade US 30, obviously. So we're gonna fund up again. You know what I'm saying? Gonna run it back, and I'm gonna drop a video. I'm gonna be like how I took $100 to $500 in 3 days, and then I'm gonna do an updated video how I took $500 to 2K in a week, and we're gonna be chilling. So it is what it is. Like I said, I'm about to swap back over to the phone. Like I said, in the comments, let me know, bro, because I genuinely I don't know what happened. I don't. I don't know what happened, bro.
As y'all can see, bro, I don't know. I don't. I guess this week just been a week where the market was like, hey, bro, chill out. You're doing too much, but can't win everything. Had a really good run though, but like I said, we're gonna come back bigger and better, fund up, and actually get some good trades, get some good videos for y'all so y'all can see some cool shit. And I'm gonna keep informing y'all on certain ways, how to just get better at trading. And I know. We just went over the video and I said I lost 3 accounts. I know it sounds crazy, but listen, sometimes it happens. Losses are gonna happen. Even the best and quote unquote best traders take losses, and it'd be way more than what I lost. That's what really kept me sane. Which I guess I could talk about that real quick. Listen, you got $100, $200, $300. You lose half of the account, damn near blow the account. You go from 100 to 10 or 100 to 20 or 500 to 40. Like, understand, bro. That's nothing compared to what you're gonna be doing in the future. Because if you're going to be taking trading serious, you're going to have 1K accounts, 2K accounts, 5K accounts, 10K accounts. And the bigger the account, the more you're able to risk. And I'm pretty sure you're going to be risking more because you're going to get to that level to where it's like, okay, I understand my system is working for me, so I'm going to risk, let's say, a 1 lot or a 2 lot, 5 lot, you know what I'm saying? And with that comes a higher risk. So those $20 losses, $30 losses, 500 to 40, $300 losses, trust me, that's going to be nothing in the future. You're going to be having these 10K accounts, 20K accounts, and you're going to take a 2K loss, a 5K loss, maybe a 10K loss. You're going to take some pretty big losses. So it's like this little shit that's happening in the beginning of your journey, don't even trip about shit like that. Like you gonna have to know what that feel like for one, but you also gonna have to get over that simply because it's risk to reward. So it's like knowing that these trades still played out in my favor. I don't understand how the fuck I lost that, but knowing that they still played in my favor, knowing that once price do get to them areas to where I was expecting price to go to, that shows me I still had the right idea. Either it just maybe did pull back or that wick, whatever. Maybe it just was too strong for the account size. You know what I'm saying? Like anything. But just knowing like, okay, price still went in my direction, price still doing it. It wasn't that I was wrong. It's just shit happens. Whenever news happens, shit be happening, bro. Like as you can see, it dropped, shot up, left crazy wicks at the bottom, shot back up. Like it's just stuff happens. But like I was saying, you're gonna have way bigger losses than $200, $300. Just get I ain't gonna say just get used to it, but like you kind of have to get used to those losses because it's normal. Everybody take losses. There's not one trader who's been trading X amount of years and took no losses once they got good. They still took losses. Like there's some people I know that are fantastic, fantastic traders, and they'll let me know like, yeah, I took a crazy loss this week, or I got cooked this week, and it's okay. Because it's going to happen. At some point, eventually, it's going to happen. We are not always 100% right. Like I said, we can have the best markup, CI, setup, or whatever. News will hit, boom, shit like that'll happen. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one that lost on US Trader today. I know for a fact I'm not. It's okay. Like, I'm not special. It's whatever. But we have to just get used to, understanding what those losses feel like, knowing how to bounce back, knowing what are we gonna do to recover from that. Like, are we gonna be like, damn, this is crazy, I'm upset, yada yada yada, or we're gonna be like, okay, took a loss. If you can't figure out what went wrong, like me, I don't fucking know what went wrong. I thought about this shit when I woke up. I was thinking about it before I went to sleep. I was meditating before I went to sleep, and I'm just like, okay. I woke up, looked at the charts, and I'm like, dude, I don't know. But like I said, we just have to get used to, when stuff like that happens. To avoid it, for all my new people, just don't trade during news. There's a lot of news going on, so it's gonna be a lot of days where you won't be trading. Probably Sunday, Mondays, but even them days, there don't be a whole lot of movement in the market sometimes. So it might be a lot of times where it's not much you can really do. I'm honestly still waiting on the market to completely break out of these areas. Y'all, I don't think y'all understand. Like, we've been in these same areas since like December, bro. Like December, 14th, November 14th, something like that. Like, bro, the market hasn't been doing shit for real. You know what I'm saying? US 30 made a high. It was November 27th. Then it made the highest point December 1st. And from December 1st until now, we have not gotten back to that price. Like, we got back to that price in January 31st. And that was it. And we're still just playing in between these prices. So now it's like, it's a stupid ass waiting game that I honestly can't stand that we're in. But like I said, bro, y'all, we all honestly just have to get used to we got to get used to this, bro. Like, this is what we want to do in life. If you want to take it full time, you got to get used to getting hit upside the head a couple times, bro. Now, like I said, there's going to be times when shit happen and you be like, where the fuck did that come from? Because that's me today. But like I said, we can only just come back, kind of go over our losses, see what went wrong. If it was something that we did, kind of like take accountability of that. Like, okay, well, I did this at the wrong time, or I used too much, or, whatever. But if it's just something like this, like news hit and it was like, spike up, spike down, whatever. Like, that's nothing you really can't control. But like I said, to avoid that, just don't trade news. But anyway, that's all I really got. Like I said, I'm gonna go live, be back on regular schedule. Yesterday I had some things going on, so I couldn't go live. And yeah, so like I said, we're gonna come back bigger and better, and y'all be on the lookout for these videos, man. Like if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment down below. If you want to be in a Discord, the link will be in the description, so make sure you check that out as well. When you join, introduce yourself, tell us what you got going on. When you started trading, what's your overall goals with trading? Like, is it just something you want to know more about? Is it something you want to take, serious and do full time? Like, just let us know a little summary about yourself. But like I said, that's all I really got. We're gonna see how this is crazy looking at, bro. NZD USD on the daily, that wick is nasty. But anyway, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Like I said, I do still have the interview coming up. The guy that I was supposed to be interviewing, he had gotten sick, so I'm gonna wait till he feel a little bit better. I'm still currently trying to recover myself, but he had hit me up. He was like, "Hey man, I've been sick. I've been sleeping a lot." I'm like, "It's all good, bro. No rush. Internet ain't going nowhere." But I'm gonna get an interview with him. He sent me a screenshot of what he's been doing lately, and he's been killing it. I'm not gonna lie. So that just goes to show, like, it may not take you as long as it took me to become profitable, because this guy joined within the first 3 days, and I don't want to say too much because I want y'all to see what he did. You know what I'm saying? But like, in my eyes, if Buddy keep doing what he doing, he's already profitable. All he got to keep doing is withdrawing his money, bro. Like, outside of that, man, like I said, that's all I really got. I'll get y'all the next one. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. Again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment down below. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.